Storytime with Nana P. Magical tales for young hearts.
Pearl and the Magic of Whimsywood Forest.
Whimsywood is a shimmering forest where the trees hum lullabies and the streams giggle over rainbow-colored pebbles. Fireflies twirl through the air, weaving golden wishes, while candy-colored mushrooms provide shelter for chattering animals. In this magical place, every leaf whispers a secret, and even the wind enjoys playing hide-and-seek. Deep within the enchanted realm of Whimsywood, there resided a lovely fox named Pearl. Her snowy white fur glimmered like stardust beneath the twilight sky, while her bright blue eyes sparkled with the essence of the wild and the wisdom of ages. But the true magic of Pearl lay in her boundless kindness and her heart full of bravery. Wherever Pearl trotted, golden fireflies danced around her, whispering secrets only for her ears. The forest seemed to recognize her as its heart. Mushrooms giggled, rivers swirled playfully, and the breeze called her name. She was more than just a fox. She was Whimsywood's gentle protector, bringing peace and unity wherever she roamed. High atop the golden cliffs of Whimsywood reigned King Jabari, a noble lion with a mane that flowed like sunlight and emerald eyes that sparkled with ancient wisdom. The creatures of Whimsywood held him dear, for his gentle decrees wove a tapestry of harmony throughout the land. Each night, beneath the enchanting moon blossom tree, he sat in quiet majesty, a guardian of dreams, watching over his peaceful kingdom as starlight danced in the twilight sky. But not all was perfect in this enchanted realm. In the darkness, Shadowfang, a silver-furred wolf with golden eyes like gleaming daggers, prowled silently. Envious of Pearl, he wove himself into the king's favor with craftily whispered words. He spun a dark tale, sowing seeds of doubt about the cunning foxes, wise owls, and gentle badgers that called the forest home. Under Shadowfang's enchantment, King Jabara's heart grew shrouded in darkness. One twilight, his voice resonated through the kingdom, decreeing the banishment of the foxes, owls, and badgers. Whispers of shock coursed through Whimsywood, and even the moon blossom shivered and her glow faded. In the heart of the Whimsywood, where secrets danced on the breeze, Sagafeather, the wise owl perched upon the ancient starfall oak. His keen eyes, deep as the midnight sky, observed Shadowfang's deceit weaving through the kingdom. With a gentle rustle of his wings, he descended to Pearl. "Dear Pearl," he urged, his voice in a whisper, "the shadows cast by Shadowfang have clouded the king's mind. Only you possess the light to guide him back. Seek the moon blossom, for it holds the key to harmony and the promise of hope." Long ago, under the whispering eclipse, the moon blossom bloomed and whispered a prophecy. It spoke of shadows falling, and a brave heart rising to bring back the light. Sagafeather knew Pearl might be the one foretold. Pearl's heart burned with determination. Guided by Sagafeather and the prophecy carved in the moon blossom's bark, she knew her courage would be tested. She crept through secret tunnels into the palace, her fireflies lighting the way. In the grand throne room, Shadowfang watched from the shadows as Pearl approached King Jabari. The moon blossom glowed, revealing the prophecy. When the shadow whispers, light must answer. The heart that knows truth must awaken the slumbering soul. Only through courage shall harmony return. Pearl bowed and spoke from her heart. "Your Majesty, Whimsywood's magic is built on trust, not fear. Division will break us. Please, remember the harmony you once protected." Her words stirred something within the king. The moon blossom glowed brighter, its light casting away Shadowfang's shadows. King Jabari's heart softened, his voice rich with renewed wisdom. "You are right, Pearl. No creature shall be banished. Whimsywood must remain united." Cheers erupted across the kingdom. Shadowfang slinked away, his power broken. The moon blossom's petals shimmered in peace once more. From that day forward, Whimsywood thrived, its creatures forever telling the tale of the brave fox who restored harmony. And every festival night, beneath the glowing moon blossom, Pearl's name was whispered in gratitude, a symbol of courage, kindness, and the magic of standing for what is right. May you always listen to the whisper of the woods and trust the magic in your hearts. Love, Nana P. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the bell, and share with friends. May your dreams be full of tales. See you next time.